Hi all, Хайрлы кеш, добрый вечер. We continue, this stream will be in English. We continue our certification study group. Uh, I hope you don't feel that it's difficult because it's not super easy. Somebody of you, uh, I know, already started to learn for certification to collect badges. For those who joined us, uh, it's never late to join because we have two grand finale events, one in July and second in late November, early December. For people who collect maximum amount of badges, we provide guaranteed internships among company partners in Central Asia, and also we provide some prizes. But of course, biggest prize is knowledge, hands-on knowledge. It's very important hands-on because, for example, I study on data analyst pathway, and all labs, all practical, short practical training labs are emulating real work of data analyst in some Western company. For example, uh, hi Mohammed, Assalamu alaikum, and thank you for asking writing questions. Let me just show the outline because on the last study group meeting we can watch it if you want. There was overview of what we're doing, so I will not be repeating it because some people already watched it and you can just watch recording. Today I will show recommended number of labs badges which are recommended by Google. Before doing it, I will first share where to start. Hello, Biknur. And so I will share it to this chat also later to the recording as well. So it's better to have first overview of this. I'll just share window. So I'm sharing in the chat as well. Overview of overall journeys. So we have this cloud skill boost journey selection, and I can choose. The cloud digital leader is the most basic. So I actually would recommend you to skip this and start learning the other one because the other one, associate cloud engineer, already has this cloud digital leader activities. You can, we recommend as a machine learning. It's little bit advanced. If you already have basic knowledge of cloud, you can go to machine learning. We recommend to choose associate cloud engineer. I will show it to you, but just 1 second. If you feel super not confident, I recommend just to do short one. I did myself this one. I showed it last time. Insights from BigQuery. You just select it. I also send it to the chat. Press enroll and press enroll with credits. If you are subscribed to this group, you already added to credit sharing group, so you don't pay anything. It will be for you free. You press start lab, and instructions I shared in the previous video. Now, if you guys have questions, please type them in the chat or after the recording type them. Also, please subscribe, press this bell, колокольчик. So I'm moving on to the main part of our study group meeting, week 1. This is associate cloud engineer. We recommend to study for this certification. Every week we will show some questions from exams. So how many skills badges needed to prepare for, like, to make sure you know enough skills to go to certificate exam or to go to some employment. Here we put collections of these badges. For example, for machine learning, you need to foundational badge for ML, explore models, ML models with BigQuery, and others, and so on. And our recommended one is Associate Cloud Engineer. What it includes? It includes the following 6 weeks. We will do it within 6 weeks. So first week should be preparing Associate Cloud Engineer journey quest. And then Google Cloud Fundamentals, core infrastructure. Well, these are not difficult, and create and manage cloud resources. Some little bit mundane, but also not difficult. And then it's become more difficult with Elastic Google Cloud scaling, Kubernetes. But let's try from this. Before jumping into it, there is short information about the exam if you want it. It's not mandatory, not necessary. Some employees don't require it. But just to check your skills, this exam is 2 hours long. We will prepare a study plan. So this is a sample of question, for example. Imagine you're a project owner and you need to deploy new version of some app engine. App engine is for launching apps. It's basically like they say in this question, like you imagine you're a system administrator in some corporation and you need to give access role to this coworker, to this project manager. Which role you should give? Project editor, app engine admin, app engine deployer, app engine code viewer. I don't know for sure. Probably it's project editor because there is YAM in all cloud, AWS, Azure, everywhere is quite a fundamental skill. It's called, it stands for Identity Access Management. Sometimes you do not give admin rights to a person who should not have admin rights. So that's the essence of it. The app, correct answer, app engine deployer. Wow, I didn't know. Maybe after this study group, I will know it. Some configurations for BigQuery, how to install BigQuery, what is the command for this. This is actually, after we prepare it, we will be better. So our next steps, we will follow learning plan on Cloud Skill Boost. Better to attend weekly. If you skip it, you can watch recording. Here, actually, I want to ask your opinion. How should we better do? Should we go to Associate Cloud Engineer or should we jump to this machine learning engineer? Because actually we do both. Machine learning, well, personally for me, will be difficult. But for some of you, will be just the right path. How does machine learning working? They talk about feature engineering. They talk about AI, deep learning, generative AI, classical regressions, everything, TensorFlow. See, feature engineering, it's actually quite fun to do it on the Vertex. Yeah, I can send this. Hi, Karim. You mean this cloud machine learning? I send it to you. Machine learning journal. By the way, next week we will deploy a website where you can submit your badges and then participate in this cities challenge for guaranteed internship. So now I will also I will send this as well. Also, here's. Do you want me, guys, to send this copy this slide and send to you? I won't be able to send in chat. I think I will send it later tomorrow morning to this recording. I will send links there. So let's explore. First session. This is Associate Cloud Engineer. This is not machine learning. Preparing for cloud engineering. I press enroll. Okay. Oh yeah, I successfully enrolled. This is structured like professional, like super cool on-demand learning. Oh, I will not be watching all of this today. This is like we can skip action. This is just overview. Again, the introduction to this cloud engineer role. I just skip it. Sorry, I watched it from different account because this is a little bit high level part certification. La la la. This is not so important. Let's just skip to this actual working model because this already I discussed with you guys. Hmm. What is symbol superstore? Uh, I think this is some case study. And important to after watching this, we just do quiz. What's this? This is super simple. This is super theoretic. I think because this is first part of it. Wow, every in this lesson, everything is theoretical. So we just answer quizzes. Actually, I can finish it after one evening sitting. This is not real hands-on. YAM, etc. Wow, this is simulating some exam, I think. Super easy. Let's just skip to the second lab. Core infrastructure. So I'm enrolling. What's happened? Again. Uh, enrolling. Wow, 30 credits. This one is expensive. Good for you if you study via study group because you get free access. Introducing Google Cloud, I know. This is very basic, but let's look at it because not everybody. Video. Why all about video? Quiz. Why it's all about video? No labs? Oh, here finally one lab. I like labs. And actually, it's not required to watch videos. You can just jump to labs. Sometimes they do tell about the same what was told in video. We watch tutorials. I just copy this code and oops, sorry for too fast. I know too fast. So I sign in to console and start lab. Again, because today I'm streaming from my corporate PC, it will not allow me to open this lab. Next week, I will go from my private own PC and it will be able to open. This one will not allow. Yeah. So I will stop sharing. Well, Karim, I understood. I will send this slide tomorrow morning as an attachment to these comments. Yeah, okay. And Ahmad, I got you. I'll send. And if you have questions, let's discuss. Otherwise, we can keep it short to respect your time. Then I wish you good luck with your studies. You can write in questions in the comments anytime. I will respond within 12 hours. Thank you for watching. It was pleasure talking to you guys. Bye bye. Bye. Good luck.